Them build them towers, them claim them strong, but Babylon crumble, them can't last long. The people rise up, the time it near. Jackal for justice, make the wicked fear. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Them preach division, them spread the lies, but your light shine, open the eyes. The poor and humble rise from the ground. Babylon tremble when your love surround. The fire blaze high, the wicked are run. Them can't escape Jack, righteous son. Rasta bring peace, but the fight can't cease. Till the whole world chant, feed the love increase. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. The chains are broken, the truth set free. Jah kingdom come, just wait and see. Babylon a fall, the world rejoice. Rasta chant love with your mighty voice. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Babylon a fall, hear the trumpet blow. Rasta stand tall, let the people know. The system weak, the roots run deep. Truth I rise while the wicked sleep. Zion echoes. Zion echoes. Zion echoes. Ay, 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 Stasi, Ganduras. Smoke a rise, it touch the moon. Meditation deep, the rhythm tune. The herbal teach me, my soul it fly. Babylon can't stop, Jah herb so high. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of healing, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. Light it up, feel Jah power strong. The herb make me chant the righteous song. No hate, no war, no wicked plan. The herb unite each woman and man. Them call it wrong, but them not see. The herb a gateway to Jah beauty. One puff clear the cloud in a me brain. Wisdom flow like a cleansing rain. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of healing, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. fire, make Jah light show. The herb guide the way, wherever we go. Herbal wisdom, the key to peace. With Jah blessing, the love increase. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of healing, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. Smoke arise, it touch the moon. Meditation deep, the rhythm tune. The herb a teach me, the soul it fly. Babylon can't stop, Jah herb so high. Herbal wisdom, it open me mind. Jah blessing flow, it's so divine. The leaf of healing, the ancient truth. Rasta learn love from the herb of youth. Rasta a trot with Jah by his side. The battle fierce, but my spirit strong. Righteous vibes carry me along. Rasta warrior, me stand so bold. Heart full of fire, my soul not cold. Chant the truth, make Babylon fall. Jah light guide me, me answer the call. The wicked them plot, but them can't prevail. Rasta sail through the stormy gale. The drum beat echo the ancestors' cry. Stand firm on the earth till Babylon die. Them think them clever with them evil scheme, but your wisdom shine like a golden beam. Me chant for the youth, for the seed we grow. Rasta show love, make the blessings flow. Rasta warrior, me stand so bold. Heart full of fire, my soul not cold. Chant the truth, make Babylon fall. Jah light guide me, me answer the call. So rise up, me people, the time is here. Jah give the strength, make we conquer fear. Rasta warrior, me fight with love, guided always by Jah above. Zion. A call for the warriors, mighty as a lion. Unity and peace, that are the key. Rise up my people and set your spirit free. Roots and fire, we burn it higher. Jah love a guide ya, never let them blind ya. From Babylon we break free. Lion road as the Rasta decree. Roots and fire, we burn it higher. Jah love a guide ya, never let them blind ya. From Babylon we break free. Lion road as the Rasta decree. Jah light, Jah love, it a shine forever. Through the stormy weather, we a walk together. Roots and culture, it a flow through me veins. Reggae music, heal the people's pain. If you don't wanna turn it on. Blaze it up, make the fire ignite. The herb of heal, it a bring the insight. Babylon them fall, them can't hold we down. Rise up, me warriors, take back the crown. Blaze the fire, let it burn so high. Child over the light, we can't deny. Stand strong, me people, don't compromise. We chant for freedom under Zion skies. They must spread them lies, but truth will reveal. The herb open eyes, make the spirit heal. System can't change, we too strong for that. We chat in on me heart, me not turn back. Them a build big walls, but them walls must fall. The roots still grow, me hear Jah call. Revolution start from the mind and soul. Babylon them shake when we take control. Blaze the fire, let it burn so high. Child over the light, we can't deny. Stand strong, me people, don't compromise. We chant for freedom under Zion skies. Look on the youth, them tired and vexed. System so wicked, them just a collect. But love for the weapon, way Babylon fear. When we spread your truth, the world must hear. Me see the signs, the time is near. Rise up, me people, Jah make it clear. In a unity, we strong as steel. A better tomorrow, that's what we feel. Drum and bass, it a carry the fight. Rhythm in a me heart, it a shine so bright. Now stop chant till the chains them break. Freedom come for them who stay awake. Blaze the fire, let it burn so high. Jah over the light, we can't deny. Stand strong, me people, don't compromise. We chant for freedom under Zion skies. So light it up, let the fire blaze. In a love and truth, we give Jah praise. Babylon can't win, them a fight in vain. Jah people rise up free from the pain. Free from the pain. Free from the pain. Free from the pain. Yeah.
they say it. Turn up. Change it to fire, split what's on sang today. To the iron on the line, to escape this one kid man could have left with her. Bye! Really need them sauce in the night, so get the body, them shoes, something the fire really is like bashing up on the guy, the boss, them and it, you see.
Yeah man, give me the paper, Stassi. Rise up, me people, the buckle are near. Babylon trembling, them living in fear. Light up the herb, make your wisdom shine. Together we're strong, it's a spiritual line. Chant for freedom, let the fire blaze. Your love a guide we through the darkest days. No more sorrow, no more pain. Rasta vibes a flow like a cleansing rain. Them try to break we, but we stand firm. Truth in the heart, the wicked a learn. System so cold, them not show no care. But love can't fail, it a everywhere. Me see the signs, the change a come. Drum beat strong, hear the Rasta drum. Unity a the weapon, where we bring. Babylon can't stop job blessings. Chant for freedom, let the fire blaze. Your love a guide we through the darkest days. No more sorrow, no more pain. Rasta vibes a flow like a cleansing rain. Me hear the cry of the people them lost, chained by the system, paying the cost. But the lion a roar, the truth arise. Break down the walls, open up your eyes. From the streets of Kingston to the mountains high, Rasta voice a echo, it reached the sky. One love, one heart, that's how we creed. Plant the seed of hope, make the future feed. Smoke the herb, make the mind elevate. Meditation strong, keep the vibe so great. Babylon fall when the people unite. Together we shine, Jah give us the light. Chant for freedom, let the fire blaze. Jah love a guide we through the darkest days. No more sorrow, no more pain. Rasta vibes a flow like a cleansing rain. So rise up, me people, the time is now. Put faith in Jah, wipe sweat from the brow. Love and strength are the only way. Together we chant for a brighter day.
Aye, aye, aye. Yeah, man, smoke a sack every day. Your man, me like the herb, the vibe so sweet. The rhythm in me heart, the earth on me feet. The smoke it rise, reach up to the sky. Me feel the meditation, me spirit fly high. Me walk on the hills, the breeze so cool. Me like the spliff, Jah love me fuel. The first draw deep, me mind it clear. Me see the world with love, me have no fear. But suddenly, me step in a strange vibe. Me feel like me floating, me take a ride. Me stumble, me laugh, the moment bright. Me realize Jah herb make me see the light. Herbal journey, take me far. Beyond the moon, me touch the stars. Me laugh, me smile, me free me mind. With Jah herb, me leave trouble behind. Herbal journey, the vibe so true. Me find myself, me feel brand new. Through the smoke, me vision clear. Jah guidance strong, me hold it near. Me sit on the rock, the river a flow. Me hear the whispers, Jah spirit show. The herb connect me to earth and sky. Me feel the power, me not deny. But then me rise, me head feel light. Me try to step, but me lose the fight. Me trip, me laugh, me catch me fall. The herb remind me small after all. Herbal journey, take me far. Beyond the moon, me touch the stars. Me laugh, me smile, me free me mind. With your herb, me leave trouble behind. Herbal journey, the vibe so true. Me find myself, me feel brand new. Through the smoke, me vision clear. Jah guidance strong, me hold it near. The herb it teach me patience, me learn the flow. Every puff a blessing, it help me grow. Me not rush the moment, me take it slow. With the beat of the drum, me let Jah glow. The rhythm a guide me dance in time. The herbal journey make life feel divine. Me give thanks for the lessons Jah herb reveal. Me and the earth, the bond so real. Herbal journey, take me far. Beyond the moon, me touch the stars. Me laugh, me smile, me free me mind. With your herb, me leave trouble behind. Herbal journey, the vibe so true. Me find myself.
Zion echoes, yo ya ya. Ya mon Valerka, give me the gas ya. Ya mon chillin' with Marine, come my touch on. Easy now, take it slow. Life a journey, let the good liquor flow. Feel the breeze, hear the ocean song. One step at a time, me just move along. One step at a time, in a rush job plan. The earth, the sky, them guide me on. Breathe in the love, let the trouble fade. One step at a time, in Jah light me stay. The sun arise, me give thanks, feel life. No stress, no war, me put down the strife. Me walk on the road where the rivers meet. Hear footstep, the earth under me feet. Babylon call, but me nah look back. Peace in a me soul, keep me on the track. The herb in a me palm, meditation strong. Heart a beat steady like a righteous song. One step at a time, in a rush job plan. The earth, the sky, them guide me on. Breathe in the love, let the trouble fade. One step at a time, in Jah light me stay. The moonlight shine when the night come down. We sit by the fire, let the silence sound. Stars them a twinkle, tell me feast stay calm. The universe speaks, send me safe in Japan. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Rasta man live for love and Jah name. The journey sweet, though the path might bend. Every step a blessing from now to the end. Hear the birds a sing, hear the tree them sway. Every creation a show Jah way. One heart, one love, let the spirit grow. Step by step, make the whole world know. One step at a time, in a rush job plan. The earth, the sky, them guide me on. Breathe in the love, let the trouble fade. One step at a time, in Jah light me stay. So easy now, take it slow. Life a blessing, let the good vibes flow. Jah love eternal, it a guide me mind. One step at a time, everything align. Drum it a beat like thunder. Jah winna blow, take the wicked under. From the lame to the lamb, go me hear Jah cry. Rise up, me children, the truth can't die. Zion calling, the rhythm so clear. Babylon shake, feature warrior wash them plain. Them heart full of greed, but my soul stay clean. Me tread on the pathway, Zion redeem. Me burn out the fire upon the serpent tongue. Them can't stop the message where Rasta sung. The river of love flow deep and wide. Jah make me a shield, just stand me beside. Zion calling, the rhythm so clear. Babylon shake, Jah warriors near. Stand on the rock with the lions roar. Truth and love make the eagles soar. Me chant on the hill where the ancients dwell. Me hear the echoes of a freedom bell. Them take the herb, but them nah no grace. The smoke rise, I reach Jah holy place. The sun it blaze, but me cool in a heart. Rasta know the end was clear from the start. Them build them tower, but it can't touch sky. The humble man rise when the wicked man cry. Burn them system, burn them lie. Babylon can't make the spirit die. Rasta walks soft, but him trod so firm. Like the roots of a tree, me forever learn. Jah wisdom flow like a healing balm. In Jah presence, me find me calm. Zion calling, the rhythm so clear. Babylon shake, Jah warriors near. Stand on the rock with the lions roar. Truth and love make the eagles soar. Me sit by the fire, me chant your name. Them can't understand, them think me insane. But the herb reveal what the blind can't see. Freedom of the spirit just set me free. The drum it talk like the ancestors' voice. Rasta na force, Rasta make the choice. The morning come, me see Jah light. Me rise up strong, me ready for fight. So listen now, Zion children strong. The day of Jah come, it not take long. Walk with the lion, let the trumpet sound. Zion rise up, the holy grown. Babylon crumble, the truth stand tall. Forever in Jah, me answer the call.
Yeah, man, we fight for true fucking bed. False Babylon system. Yo, not the people, the time to rise. Babylon a crumble, me see the lights. Smoke the herb, let your wisdom flow. Together we strong, let the revolution grow. Stand tall, brothers, don't you fall. Jah light a guide with through it all. One love, me sisters, hear Jah call. Break the chains, we tear down the wall. Them can't stop, we like the breeze. Moving through the mountains, flowing through the trees. And build them systems, we keep low. But Jah within we, so we go. No fearing at the heart when the lion roar. Truth from my lips, Babylon can't ignore. The herb make me wise, get strength to fight. Jah love shine bright, like stars in the night. Stand tall, my brothers, don't you fall. Jah light a guide me through it all. One love, me sisters, hear Jah call. Break the chains, we tear down the wall. Youth man, listen, the power of you. Fi build a better world, fi make it true. Babylon a poison, but we have the cure. Unity and love, the vibes them pure. Them can't divide we not go stray. Rasta stand firm till the end of day. Wisdom of Jah make the wicked flee. A higher meditation set we free. Drums a beat, the rhythm a rise. Smoke the herb, let it touch the skies. Chant for the freedom, chant for the peace. Rasta vibes a flow, let the blessings release. Stand tall, my brothers, don't you fall. Jah light a guide me through it all. One love, me sisters, hear Jah call. Break the chains, we tear down the wall. You rise up, my people, the future bright. Hold Jah close, step into the light. Smoke the herb, keep your spirit free. Together we chant a new destiny. future bright. Hold your close, step into the light. Smoke the herb, keep your spirit free. Together we chant a new destiny.
Close your eyes, feel the bass. The rhythm lifts us to a higher place. The sun goes down, colors ignite. With every beat we turn the world tonight. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. Among palm trees, sand and sea, here we're weightless, wild and free. The night begins, the sound takes flight. A fire's burning deep inside tonight. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. Underneath the moonlight's glow, in these roots our spirits grow. With every rhythm, every rhyme, we're living free, one beat at a time. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. As the night fades, a new day born. But the vibes we feel will keep us warm. Roots and vibes, we'll be back again. In the world of rhythm, where it all began. Underneath the moonlight's glow, in these roots our spirits grow. With every rhythm, every rhyme, we're living free, one beat at a time. Oh, oh, roots and vibes. We let it flow, every moment shines like gold. Just so, with roots and vibes. Let worries drift, we dance until the stars uplift. As the night fades, a new day born. But the vibes we feel will keep us warm. Roots and vibes, we'll be back again. In the world of rhythm, where it all began. Underneath the moonlight's glow, in these roots our spirits grow. With every rhythm, every rhyme, we're living free, one beat at a time.